Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I release my new video.
So guys, I'm so excited. This is the Oracle speaking, and I'm excited to report this morning that in the month of December 2021, we had a total of about 68 to 69 trades taken by the IPC bot, the Genius bot. Even in these times of low volatility and when the markets are full of so many uncertainties, and yet for the very first time, guys, we had 100% winning result with regards to the IPC bot. This has never been achieved. This is the first time this has been achieved, and I'm proud to announce that this bot system is honestly magical. Now, what you can see on my screen is the results. The reds you see are just withdrawals that happens every Saturday by the bot system, and we have about 69 trades, less than 70, and yet we are having 100% winning result with no loss. Guys, if you're still thinking otherwise regards to the IPC system, you better change your mind, because this business has come to stay. They are here for the long term. They have been consistent with their trading results. You can verify their trades from my FX book to see the performance of the bot system. This system is extremely magical, guys. If you've not joined the system, please get back to the person who referred you. Take advantage of this bot opportunity and create massive wealth for yourself with regards to the year 2022. I want to wish everyone a happy new year in advance. Today is the end of the year, and the bot system performed at optimal 100% performance, 0 losses, 100% gains, 69 trades taken for the month of December. No loss was recorded, and this is just magical. This is the Oracle, and I want to wish you a happy new year. Going forward to January, we'll look forward to more fantastic results. And get set, guys. Massive updates coming in January. Updates that will blow your mind, will blow your imagination. Get set, get set, get set, get set. Something massive is coming, and you can't imagine what is coming, guys. See you later, and stay blessed for now. Bye, 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 bye.